Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode. Now, if you are a ProTax user, I want to be able to keep you guys apprised of all of the wonderful changes that are happening as we ramp up to tax season. So our newest change, which was a little bit unexpected, was from CRA that is requiring software to be able to prevent e-file for certain errors that exist in a T1 return. Previously, you were able to kind of get through to the transmission portion, but of course, you would get an e-file failure. That in turn went and increased the number of calls and confusion. And so CRA is now requiring tax software to block certain messages from being able to transmit in their entirety. So let's go ahead and take a look at ProTax and see exactly what this looks like in product. Now, if you have one of these messages, and there are not many currently, and this only applies right now to the T1 module, but of course that can change at any time, you will see in your auditor under issues a CRA e-file blocking message with an error number. Those are the ones that need to be cleared before you can go ahead and try to transmit your return. These messages are going to be weighted, which means that they will always appear at the top of your issues tab. And so they're going to be very clear and unhidden to know that these are going to be critical. Now, if you do not clear them and you try to transmit that return, when you get to the next phase, there are two things that you will be able to notice. Number one, there is going to be an e-file blocked message on the left-hand side. And second, the file return button will actually be deactivated, preventing you from being able to submit it. If you need to go back, right, it can be a little bit confusing how to get out of this part. So simply click on the edit return button, and that will take you back into your return for you to go ahead, continue through your auditor and make any necessary changes. Hopefully this has been helpful. I know we are all ramping up in getting our tax returns prepared. So please like, subscribe, and comment in this so that you get any other notifications in case there are some more surprises on the horizon for us. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.